All right, so we just had her fired up. Jimmy, if you want to try to hit the key again, let's see if we can get her to relight.
Yeah. Ready?
Go ahead. Like a dream. Let's go. 11.4. And now this alternator is new. It's under warranty. I put it on there. All right, so after getting the distributor in, fighting it, making sure we're timed, getting the car to run, we have, which is why it shut off. We had it running, what was that, yesterday or Wednesday?
Yesterday.
That was yesterday.
Yesterday. We had it running for a good long time. Ooh, mail?
Yep.
Oh, that's just the cable bill. We don't have to pay them right away. Anyway, I think that's a more simple green. Anyway, back to this. Getting the distributor stabbed, getting everything kind of in. We had it running with the air on, fan working, and it just kind of stalled out and died and then clicked.
Yep.
Battery dead. Okay, not a problem. We borrowed Victor's booster, which I ordered one yesterday after we borrowed it because I'm getting tired of borrowing Victor's, and I'm pretty sure he hates it. So, we've just determined that alternator is no es buena. Now, we put this alternator on a few years ago, but not very many miles. So I'm going to pull it right now. I've already started, as you can see. And I'm going to get ready and get it warrantied out.